Hello friends, today I'm going to read you this book called It's Pumpkin Time, and the author is Zoe Hall. She wrote the story, because that's what an author does, an author writes a story. And the illustrator is Sherry Halpern. She drew the pictures. That's the illustrator's job. You could be an author and an illustrator. It's pumpkin time. So the end pages of a book, a lot of times, can tell you something about the story. This looks like a bunch of pumpkin seeds. Somebody's cut open their pumpkin and pulled all the seeds out. I'm looking at these gardening tools here, and I'm wondering what they're going to use them for in this story. What do you think? We'll see. All summer long, my brother and I get ready for our favorite holiday. Can you guess what it is? What do you think it is? Halloween! You guessed it! And can you guess what we do to get ready? Look, he's got this package here, and it says right there, seeds. What do you think they're going to do to get ready? We plant a jack-o'-lantern patch. So they're going to take their seeds and their gardening tools, and they're going to plant the pumpkins so they'll have a jack-o'-lantern patch. First, I turn the soil with a shovel, and my brother uses a spade to dig narrow rows just 1 inch deep. Then we drop in pumpkin seeds and cover them with soil. Do you know what soil is? It's the same thing as dirt, but usually the soil that we use in our gardens is better for our plants than just regular old dirt. We water them and wait for the sun to warm them. And before long, seeds grow tiny roots and small green shoots poke up out of the ground. You see them poking up out of the ground? Right there. It's fun. The shoots grow into vines, and they grow longer. Look how long those vines grow. Starting way over there, all the way across. Every week, we water them, and we pull up lots of weeds. So see this plant that he's pulling up right here? That's weeds. He doesn't want weeds in his garden. Soon, we see buds where flowers will bloom. The yellow flowers is where our pumpkins will grow. At first, the pumpkin is green and tiny. See how tiny that is in his hand? And see how tiny this one is in their hand? Oh, this way. And they grow bigger. See them getting bigger, but they're still green. See, here's one here, here's one here, and here's one here. They're still green. And bigger, and soon our great big pumpkins turn from green to yellow. They change color. From green to yellow. And then to orange. Once they're orange, now they are ready to be picked. We have never grown such big pumpkins before. Mom and Dad help us cut the pumpkins from the vines, and we gather them into a wheelbarrow and take them home. A wheelbarrow, that's a gardening tool that only has one wheel on it, and then it's got two handles that you pick up and push it. It's kind of like a wagon, but a wagon has four wheels, and a wheelbarrow, it only has one wheel. Look it up and see if you can find a picture of a wheelbarrow. It's Halloween at last. Oh, goody. We draw faces on our pumpkins, and Mom and Dad help us cut them, hollow them out, and light candles inside. Now they are jack-o'-lanterns. This one is my favorite. Can you guess what we do next? Let's see. We put on our costumes, and it's time to trick or treat. Happy Halloween! I hope you have fun wearing your costumes and trick-or-treating, and I hope you enjoyed this book. Have a great day!